the failure of Operation Sindoor and an embarrassing defeat in the 4-day war, the Indian state has resorted to massive misinformation campaigns because they could not prove their mettle in the battlefield, in the diplomatic arena, and their narrative was badly defeated. Hence, they resorted to propaganda warfare, propaganda campaigns, misinformation and disinformation. Furtherance of their nefarious designs, recently we've had a big success in which Pakistani law enforcement agencies have apprehended a common fisherman by the name of Ijaz Mallah, who used to go fishing in the high seas. September this year, when he was out fishing in the high seas, he was arrested by the Indian Coast Guard. He was taken to an undisclosed location. He was coerced, forced to do some tasks for the Indian intelligence agency. He was given greed that he would be compensated and that if he did not comply, he would have to stay imprisoned for 2 to 3 years. So this common fisherman by the name of Ijaz Mallah was eventually released by the Indian intelligence agency and was sent to Pakistan on a task to procure certain things for the Indian intelligence agency, which included uniforms of Pakistan Navy, uniforms of Pakistan Army, and uniforms of Sindh Rangers. He was tasked to procure these uniforms with certain name tags and certain fitting, because this was part of a bigger plan of the Indian intelligence agency to launch a propaganda warfare against Pakistan. An army uniform, a navy uniform, a ranger uniform with the name tags. When he was loitering around in Pakistan procuring these items, because our intelligence agencies are well equipped to deal with any situation, they put him under surveillance when he tried to procure these items. And while he was under surveillance, our